morning, kids. In today's class, you will learn the basic concepts and the way to read them. Let's look at this. Fractions. A fraction shows equal parts of a whole. As you see, the top number is called numerator. The bottom number is called denominator. Look at this, the way that we are going to read fractions. Half, 1/3, 1/4, or 1/4, 1/5, 1/17. We have to pay attention that each of the numbers that you are reading are read in ordinal way. In a moment, we will see another examples. Now, look at these examples. 2/3, 3/4, or 3/4. In this example, it's most common to use 3/4, even when you can say 3/4. 2/5, 7/8. Pay attention in the first one. The first number is used as a natural number, and the denominator is used in ordinal way and pluralized. Now let's go to practice. In your notebooks, you are going to write the following fractions. As soon as you finish your exercise in your notebook, you are going to pass to work in your student's book, pages 102 and 103, as well as your workbook, pages 102 and 103 too. Here in our reviewing notes that introduces the subject of maths and fractions in English, the purpose is that you have that practice to read and recognize the way that you are going to write them and the way to pronounce them. I know that you are experts in maths and you have seen this topic in your calculations. So you are going to check some of these points. First, you have to remember what a fraction is. And a fraction is a part of a whole. It can be anything that is completely. A fraction has two basic elements, numerator and denominator. What is the numerator? Numerator is the top number, as we can see here, number 3. And the denominator is the bottom number. Here we check that is number 4. So number 3 is the numerator, number 4 is the denominator. The purpose of this topic is to know how to read fractions, as I am not to teach you maths. So the rules to read them are: 1. If the numerator is number 1, you are going to say 1 or a. Here we have 1/3 or a third, 1/5 or a fifth, 1/4 or a fourth. And here the special case that we know is half or a half. The denominator is read as an ordinal number, as you saw in the previous examples. Later on, we will check what the ordinal numbers are. If the numerator is any other number, not only 1, is used as a cardinal number. What's that? A cardinal number is any number that you usually use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, whichever. Let's see here. 2/3, 3/3, 6/8, 7/8, 2/2. 11/20, 10/12, 15/30. The denominators are read, adding s as you see in the examples. Remember that a cardinal number is a natural number, as 1, 3, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 30, 80, 90, 100, 1000, 1 million. And the ordinal numbers are as first, third, sixth, eighth, 10th, 15th, 20th, 30th, 80th, 90th, 100th, 1000th, 1 billionth. Review your ordinal numbers and each of the notes, and you will be able to write and read fractions correctly. In this page, you have to read the ticket and choose the correct answers. It says, how much do adults pay? What fraction do children pay? And you have to make some calculations too. In the second exercise, read the sentences and write the fractions. That way you have your notes and you can do it easily. And if you can check here, we can join this topic with the conditional sentences that we have already worked. If we tear the ticket into 2 pieces, we have 2/2. If we tear the ticket into 3 pieces, we have 3/3. If we tear the ticket into 4 pieces, we have 4/4. If we tear the ticket into 5 pieces, we have 5/5. If you check all these sentences, we are reviewing the zero conditional. In exercise 3, look at the pictures and write the words and then the numbers. 1. If we tear the ticket into 9 pieces, we have 9, and to complete. If we tear the ticket into 6 pieces, we have 6, and to complete it. If we tear the ticket into 10 pieces, we have 10, and to complete. If we tear the ticket into 7 pieces, we have 7, and to complete. The same way happens in the following exercises. I hope that you can do it by yourself without any problem. Remember, check it twice, your notes, and then